We called Guardian Roofing, and the gentleman came out. He looked at what needed to be done. He told us everything that needed to be done. He gave us the price, and we were scheduled for 3 months from then because they were very busy, but they actually got the job done a month earlier, which was great. The gentleman that came, he was wearing his mask, and we did social distancing. He was very polite, followed all the CDC requirements, and I was very happy with him. He cleaned up afterwards, got everything done, and yeah, it hasn't rained yet. I guess that's what happens when you have your roof fixed. You don't get rain. And I would highly recommend Guardian Roofing to my family and friends because I think they did a great job, and they always got back to me when I asked them questions, and that's always important to me when people get back to me.